Ladies, have you ever considered that a blend of just two humble ingredients, castor oil and baking soda, can provide remarkable health benefits for your hair, heart, and even alleviate pain? It may seem almost unbelievable, yet for centuries, women across the globe have relied on these natural remedies for healing and rejuvenation. Today, we will delve into how this simple, cost-effective mixture can empower you to feel and look your best, all without the need for pricey treatments or medications. As we navigate the passage of time, our bodies inevitably undergo changes, our hair may begin to thin, our joints might ache a bit more, and even the most mundane tasks can become increasingly challenging. They once did, but what if nature had a remedy all along, concealed in the familiar confines of your kitchen or bathroom cabinet? Castor oil, revered for millennia since the days of ancient Egypt, has served as a cure-all, promoting hair growth and alleviating inflammation. On the other hand, baking soda, a celebrated alkalizing agent, aids in balancing the body and providing relief from discomfort. Now, modern science is beginning to align with the wisdom that countless women have embraced through the ages. When these two powerful ingredients unite, they can work wonders for your well-being. Join us in today's video. Prepare to explore 5 astonishing health benefits of this unassuming yet potent mixture. We will examine its effects on hair growth, heart health, pain relief, digestion, and even skin care. Additionally, I will guide you on how to use it safely and highlight who should approach it with caution. By the conclusion of this video, you will not only grasp the science underpinning this remedy but also learn how to seamlessly integrate it into your self-care regimen starting today. Have you observed your hair becoming thinner, drier, or even experiencing increased loss as you age? You are certainly not alone. Numerous women over the age of 60 encounter various changes attributed to fluctuating hormones, a deceleration in cell regeneration, and compromised hair follicles. However, imagine if I revealed that 2 straightforward ingredients, castor oil and baking soda, could aid in rejuvenating your scalp, fostering stronger hair, and potentially diminishing hair loss. Today, I will guide you through the workings of this natural blend and how you can easily incorporate it into your home routine. As we grow older, several elements contribute to thinning hair and scalp concerns. Let us dissect these factors. First, hormonal shifts occur, with estrogen levels declining as we age, resulting in hair that is weaker and finer, impacting the scalp. Produces less natural oil, resulting in dry and brittle hair. Poor blood circulation to the scalp, often exacerbated by aging, can slow down blood flow to hair follicles, diminishing the essential nutrients and oxygen required for hair growth. Additionally, product buildup and pH imbalance can hinder this process. Years of using shampoos, conditioners, and styling products may clog hair follicles, while an unbalanced scalp pH can obstruct new hair growth. However, there is a silver lining. Castor oil and baking soda can naturally counter these effects. Castor oil, a time-honored remedy for hair growth, has been utilized for centuries. What renders it so potent? Firstly, it is abundant in ricinoleic acid, an anti-inflammatory and growth enhancer. Castor oil is infused with ricinoleic acid, a natural element that invigorates blood circulation in the scalp. Enhanced circulation translates to increased oxygen and nutrients for your hair follicles, fostering stronger and healthier growth. Secondly, it offers deep moisturization, being exceptionally rich in fatty acids that hydrate the scalp and stave off dryness, which can lead to breakage. Lastly, it possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties. For those grappling with dandruff or an itchy scalp, castor oil combats bacteria and fungi, ensuring a healthier scalp. Clean and healthy, castor oil excels at nourishing the scalp, yet we require a solution to cleanse and restore balance. Enter baking soda, a remarkable natural cleanser that offers numerous benefits for your hair. Firstly, it effectively eliminates buildup from hair products. Over time, shampoos, conditioners, and styling products can clog hair follicles, hindering new growth. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing this buildup without the use of harsh chemicals. Secondly, it helps to restore the scalp's pH. Maintaining a healthy scalp requires an understanding of pH levels, which are naturally slightly acidic. However, an overuse of alkaline hair products can disrupt this balance. Baking soda serves to neutralize excess acidity, fostering an ideal environment for hair growth. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in preventing scalp irritation and dandruff, thanks to its natural antibacterial properties that combat infections and control flaking. With a grasp of how these two ingredients function, we can explore their combined use for optimal results. This straightforward yet powerful hair treatment is something you can easily perform at home. Once or twice a week, consider this method for scalp treatment, ideal for promoting hair growth and controlling dandruff. The ingredients you'll need are 1 teaspoon of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of warm water. To begin, in a small bowl, combine the baking soda with warm water until it achieves a thin paste. Gently massage this mixture onto your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to exfoliate and eliminate buildup. Rinse your scalp with lukewarm water and pat it dry. Next, apply the castor oil to your scalp, paying special attention to areas of thinning hair. Massage the oil in circular motions for 5 minutes to encourage blood circulation. Allow the mixture to sit for a minimum of 30 minutes, or even overnight, to achieve deep conditioning. Afterward, cleanse your hair with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo and let it air dry. With just a few applications, you may observe reduced hair fall, a refreshed scalp, and softer, healthier strands. For the second method, consider a castor oil hair mask, ideal for dry, brittle hair. You'll need 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Combine all the ingredients in a small bowl, then apply the mixture evenly from root to tip. Finally, wrap your hair with a shower cap. Apply the mixture and let it sit for an hour before rinsing with warm water and a gentle shampoo. This mask provides deep nourishment for dry, brittle hair, enhancing its shine and strength. The combination of castor oil and baking soda works harmoniously to detoxify your scalp, stimulate hair growth, and restore vitality to your locks. As we age, our skin inevitably undergoes changes. Fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and sagging become increasingly apparent. However, consider this: a simple blend of castor oil and baking soda can help you achieve firmer, brighter, and more youthful skin, all without the need for costly creams or treatments. This natural remedy offers a refreshing alternative. This combination is infused with potent anti-aging properties that assist in hydrating the skin, diminishing dark spots, and enhancing collagen production. Let us delve into how this straightforward remedy can empower you to look and feel your finest. As we age, our skin experiences a series of transformations. Here's what unfolds over time: a decline in collagen and elasticity. Collagen, the protein that maintains our skin's firmness and youthfulness, sees a significant reduction by the age of 60, resulting in wrinkles and sagging. Additionally, dehydration and dryness set in as the skin generates less natural oil, rendering it more susceptible to flaking and fine lines. As we age, the irritation stemming from slower skin cell renewal becomes increasingly apparent. Our skin's natural ability to shed dead cells diminishes, leading to a dull complexion and uneven skin tone. The years of sun exposure contribute to the emergence of dark spots, uneven pigmentation, and rough patches. However, there is hope. The combination of castor oil and baking soda can work wonders to restore hydration, diminish wrinkles, and promote a radiant glow. Let's delve into their remarkable benefits. Castor oil, often regarded as one of nature's best-kept beauty secrets, is abundant in essential fatty acids and antioxidants that nourish the skin. Here's how it aids in rejuvenation: it deeply moisturizes and hydrates. Castor oil is infused with ricinoleic acid, a natural humectant that secures moisture and wards off dryness. For those grappling with dry or crepey skin, castor oil can rejuvenate softness and elasticity. It stimulates collagen production and diminishes wrinkles, as the fatty acids in castor oil delve deep into the skin, enhancing collagen synthesis and minimizing the visibility of fine lines and sagging. Consistent application can aid in firming loose skin, particularly around the delicate areas of the eyes and jawline. Additionally, it works to diminish dark spots and pigmentation, as castor oil is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals responsible for aging. Spots and uneven skin tone can be a source of frustration, yet there exists a remedy that gradually breaks down melanin deposits, leading to the fading of dark spots and discoloration. Furthermore, it possesses the ability to soothe inflammation and repair damaged skin. For those who experience redness, irritation, or sensitivity, the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil work to calm the skin and promote healing. While castor oil hydrates and restores, baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, brightening and refreshing the complexion. This natural exfoliator effectively cleanses and revitalizes the skin, making it a powerful ally in your skincare routine. Exfoliating dead skin cells unveils a fresh, radiant complexion. Baking soda plays a pivotal role in this process, facilitating the removal of lifeless skin and allowing vibrant, healthy skin to surface. Regular exfoliation enhances skin texture, diminishes dullness, and amplifies luminosity. Additionally, it aids in balancing pH levels, which is essential for preventing wrinkles and dryness. Healthy skin thrives with a balanced pH that retains moisture and maintains firmness. Baking soda effectively restores the skin's natural pH, warding off dryness and irritation. Furthermore, it brightens and evens out skin tone, gently lightening dark patches and uneven pigmentation over time. It combats acne and skin imperfections, as baking soda possesses antibacterial properties that aid in minimizing breakouts and skin irritation. Now that we understand the function of these two ingredients, let us proceed step by step on how to utilize them for radiant, youthful skin. There are two effective methods to apply this remedy, one for deep hydration and another for gentle exfoliation. Method 1 involves a castor oil and baking soda anti-aging face mask, ideal for addressing wrinkles and enhancing glow. The ingredients required are 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey is optional for added hydration. To create the mask, blend baking soda and castor oil into a smooth paste. Gently massage this mixture onto clean skin in circular motions, allowing it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes for optimal absorption. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Follow up with a light moisturizer. This mask works to tighten the skin, fade dark spots, and provide deep hydration for a youthful, glowing appearance. For method 2, consider an overnight treatment with castor oil, ideal for deep moisturization and addressing fine lines. You'll need 2 drops of castor oil and a cotton pad. Before bed, apply a few drops of castor oil to your skin. Indulge in a soothing face and neck massage using gentle upward strokes for a duration of 2 to 3 minutes. Allow the treatment to remain overnight, providing your skin with intense hydration and repair. In the morning, cleanse your face and revel in the sensation of softer, firmer skin. This approach aids in the rebuilding of collagen, leaving you feeling refreshed upon waking. And there you have it, a straightforward and natural method to maintain youthful, radiant, and hydrated skin. Now, let's address a common concern. Do you find yourself waking up with stiff, aching joints? Does the act of walking, bending, or even the simplest movements bring discomfort? If so, know that you are not alone. As we age, joint and muscle pain often becomes a familiar companion, a result of inflammation and wear and tear. Imagine a world where a simple blend of castor oil and baking soda could offer you the natural relief you've been seeking. Today, I will unravel the synergy between these two ingredients, revealing how they can alleviate pain, enhance mobility, and soothe those aching muscles. Furthermore, I will guide you on how to harness their power effectively within the comfort of your home. But before we embark on this remedy, let us take a moment to explore the underlying causes of joint pain, particularly as we age. Over time, the soft, cushion-like cartilage in our joints gradually diminishes, resulting in stiffness and discomfort, often accompanied by inflammation and arthritis. Conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis lead to swelling, rendering movement a painful endeavor. As we age, blood circulation diminishes, resulting in decreased blood flow to the joints, which in turn hampers healing and repair. The accumulation of calcium deposits and stiffness, particularly in the knees and hands, can exacerbate pain and discomfort. However, there is a silver lining. Castor oil and baking soda may offer natural relief from these effects. Castor oil, revered for centuries, has been utilized to alleviate pain and inflammation. Here's how it works. Castor oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to the presence of ricinoleic acid, a potent compound that alleviates inflammation in swollen joints. Additionally, it enhances blood circulation. Massaging castor oil onto affected areas increases blood flow, which aids in loosening stiff joints and fostering healing. Furthermore, it offers deep moisture and heat therapy. When applied, castor oil penetrates deeply into the tissues, delivering a warming sensation that soothes sore muscles. Lastly, it is thought to support nerve function and reduce pain, making castor oil a valuable ally in managing nerve discomfort. Conditions such as arthritis and sciatica can be challenging to manage. While castor oil is known for its remarkable properties, its effects can be amplified by incorporating baking soda. This common household ingredient is more than just a pantry staple. It boasts significant health benefits, particularly in combating inflammation and alleviating pain. Firstly, as a natural alkalizer, baking soda plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation, which is often associated with excess acidity in the body. By neutralizing acid, it helps diminish swelling in the joints. Secondly, it aids in breaking down calcium deposits and uric acid, making it beneficial for those who suffer from gout. Arthritis can be a challenging condition, but baking soda offers a potential ally in alleviating discomfort. It aids in dissolving calcium deposits and uric acid crystals, which may lead to a reduction in pain and stiffness. Additionally, it promotes muscle relaxation, easing tension and potentially enhancing mobility over time. With an understanding of how these two components function, let's explore the step-by-step process for utilizing them effectively. There are two primary methods for employing castor oil and baking soda to achieve pain relief: a warm compress and a soothing soak. Method 1 involves creating a warm compress with castor oil and baking soda, particularly beneficial for joint pain relief. The ingredients required include 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a clean cotton cloth, and a heating pad or hot water bottle are all you need. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix castor oil and baking soda. Soak the cotton cloth in the mixture and apply it directly to the affected area. Cover it with plastic wrap to prevent drying out. Place a heating pad or hot water bottle over the compress and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. For best results, repeat this 2 to 3 times per week. This method allows the castor oil to penetrate deeper into tissues while the warmth enhances circulation and alleviates discomfort. The stiffness method combines the soothing properties of baking soda and castor oil for an effective soak, perfect for alleviating sore muscles and providing full-body relief. To prepare this remedy, gather half a cup of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of castor oil, and a bathtub filled with warm water. Begin by filling your bathtub with warm water, ensuring it's not too hot. Add the baking soda and stir until it dissolves completely. Next, pour in the castor oil and mix thoroughly. Immerse yourself in the soak for 15 to 20 minutes, gently massaging any sore areas. Afterward, rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. This soak is particularly beneficial for easing muscle tension, joint stiffness, and body aches, especially after a long day. Oil and baking soda present a gentle, natural approach to alleviating joint and muscle discomfort, steering clear of harsh pharmaceuticals. It's a startling fact that heart disease stands as the primary cause of death for women over 60. While many of us prioritize nutritious diets and regular exercise, we often neglect straightforward natural remedies that can bolster our heart health. The pairing of castor oil and baking soda might appear unconventional, yet together they enhance circulation, reduce inflammation, and even promote healthy cholesterol levels. Today, I will delve into this intriguing topic. This straightforward remedy has the potential to naturally enhance heart strength and overall health, and it can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. As we age, our cardiovascular system encounters various challenges. Over time, our heart and blood vessels undergo significant changes. Arteries lose their flexibility, becoming stiffer and impeding efficient blood flow. This condition elevates the risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. Additionally, chronic inflammation can result in cholesterol deposits and plaque accumulation. Arteries can elevate the risk of strokes and heart attacks, while poor circulation and slower blood flow may lead to cold hands and feet, dizziness, and fatigue. Additionally, reduced circulation increases the likelihood of blood clots, which can result in serious heart complications. However, there is a silver lining: castor oil and baking soda can naturally help mitigate these issues. Castor oil, often associated with hair and skin care, possesses remarkable benefits for heart health. Here's how it functions. First, it enhances circulation. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which enhances blood circulation by alleviating inflammation in blood vessels. A well-functioning circulatory system translates to a diminished risk of clot formation and healthier arteries. Furthermore, it plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation, a significant factor in heart health, as inflammation is a major contributor to heart disease. Castor oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to mitigate the risks associated with artery stiffness and plaque accumulation. Additionally, it supports healthy cholesterol levels, as studies indicate that castor oil can lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, thereby promoting overall cardiovascular well-being. Clear arteries alleviate strain on the heart, while castor oil enhances circulation and manages cholesterol levels. Meanwhile, baking soda emerges as a vital player in maintaining pH balance and safeguarding heart health. This common kitchen ingredient offers remarkable benefits beyond its culinary uses. Firstly, it restores pH balance and mitigates acidity. An acidic bodily environment has been associated with chronic inflammation, a factor that can lead to heart disease and elevated blood pressure. Baking soda effectively neutralizes excess acid, thereby lessening the burden on the cardiovascular system. System 2 lowers blood pressure naturally. Studies suggest that balancing pH levels can help relax blood vessels, leading to lower blood pressure over time. Additionally, it prevents excess calcium deposits in arteries. Too much calcium in the bloodstream can lead to artery hardening, increasing the risk of heart disease. Baking soda helps prevent this buildup, keeping arteries flexible and clear. So, how do you use castor oil and baking soda for better heart health? Let's go step by step. There are two main ways you can use castor oil and baking soda to naturally support your heart. Method 1. Castor oil. Begin your day with a soothing morning elixir designed to combat inflammation and restore pH balance. The ingredients are simple yet effective. Combine 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of castor oil in a glass of warm water. For a touch of zest, you may add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. To prepare, mix the baking soda into the warm water until it dissolves completely. Then, incorporate the castor oil, stirring thoroughly. If you choose, a squeeze of lemon can enhance both flavor and benefits. Consume this mixture on an empty stomach each morning to maximize its effects, promoting reduced inflammation and balanced pH levels. To support a healthy cardiovascular system, consider trying this method for a few weeks and observe the effects. Method 2 involves a castor oil chest rub, which is particularly effective for enhancing circulation and relaxing blood vessels. The ingredients you'll need are 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. To prepare, combine the castor oil and baking soda into a smooth paste. Gently massage this mixture onto your chest, focusing on the area over your heart. Once applied, cover it with a warm towel and take a moment to relax for 10 to 15 minutes. For optimal results, repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week to enhance circulation and alleviate discomfort in the chest. The method promotes a deep penetration of castor oil into tissues, enhancing blood flow and alleviating heart strain in a natural way. Caring for your heart can be straightforward. By incorporating castor oil and baking soda into your routine, you can foster healthy circulation, diminish inflammation, and naturally enhance overall heart function. Have you ever encountered bloating, sluggish digestion, or irregular bowel movements? As we age, our digestive system tends to slow, complicating the breakdown of food, nutrient absorption, and efficient waste elimination. But what if? I mentioned that a straightforward blend of castor oil and baking soda can aid in cleansing your gut, alleviating constipation, and promoting natural liver detoxification. In this section, I will elucidate how these two components collaborate to enhance digestion, eliminate toxins, and maintain gut health, all in a safe and natural manner. Before we delve into the remedy, let us explore the reasons behind the slowdown of digestion after the age of 60 and its impact on our overall health. A slower metabolism means our bodies process food at a reduced pace, often resulting in bloating and discomfort, alongside diminished enzyme production. The stomach produces fewer digestive enzymes, making it increasingly difficult to break down food properly. Weakened gut muscles result in intestines that do not contract as efficiently, leading to sluggish digestion and constipation. Over time, toxins accumulate in the liver and colon, making detoxification even more crucial. However, there is a silver lining. Castor oil and baking soda work in harmony to cleanse the digestive system naturally. Castor oil has been utilized for centuries as a potent natural laxative and detoxifier. Let's explore how it aids in this process. Stimulating bowel movements and relieving constipation, castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which activates the intestines and promotes regularity. This makes it an exceptional remedy for chronic constipation and sluggish digestion. Additionally, it cleanses the liver and supports detoxification, as the liver serves as the body's natural detox organ. Castor oil aids in flushing out toxins and enhancing liver function, ensuring your body remains clean from within. Furthermore, it reduces inflammation in the gut, providing relief for those suffering from irritable bowel syndrome. The syndrome known as IBS, along with the discomfort of bloating, can find relief through the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil, which soothes the digestive tract. When digestion functions optimally, nutrient absorption is enhanced, allowing the body to take in more vitamins and minerals, thus improving overall energy and well-being. While castor oil aids in promoting movement within the system, baking soda plays a crucial role in balancing the gut's pH and mitigating acidity. Renowned for its ability to neutralize acid, baking soda effectively cleanses the digestive system. Its efficacy lies in its capacity to balance stomach acid and prevent acid reflux. Excessive bloating and acidity can result in acid reflux, heartburn, and indigestion. Baking soda serves to neutralize this excess acid, offering a natural soothing effect for the stomach. Additionally, it acts as a gentle cleanser for the digestive tract, effectively flushing out toxins and waste. For those who frequently experience bloating or gas, baking soda can break down gas bubbles in the stomach, delivering swift relief. Furthermore, it supports kidney function and aids in detoxifying the blood, helping to maintain the body's pH balance. The mixture is fully dissolved, then add the castor oil, stirring gently to combine. If desired, incorporate honey or lemon juice for a touch of flavor. This detox drink serves as a gentle aid for digestion and can help alleviate bloating. Method 2 focuses on a more intensive detoxification process. Remember to approach these remedies with care and mindfulness, ensuring they align with your health needs. Once fully dissolved, incorporate castor oil and stir thoroughly. If you wish, enhance the flavor and detox benefits by adding honey or lemon. Consume this mixture before breakfast for optimal results. This straightforward drink effectively cleanses your digestive system, alleviates bloating, and encourages natural regularity. For a deeper detox and colon cleansing, consider Method 2, the castor oil belly rub. You'll need 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a warm towel. To prepare, blend the castor oil and baking soda into a smooth paste, then gently massage the mixture onto your abdomen. Engage in gentle circular motions, enveloping yourself with a warm towel, and allow yourself to unwind for a span of 20 to 30 minutes. This ritual, performed once or twice weekly, serves to bolster liver function and enhance gut health. The technique facilitates the deep penetration of castor oil into the tissues, thereby stimulating digestion and fostering detoxification. However, before embarking on a routine that incorporates castor oil and baking soda, it is crucial to grasp the essential do's and don'ts to ensure safety and optimal outcomes. While these ingredients offer remarkable benefits, their proper application is vital to prevent skin irritation, digestive disturbances, or any unwelcome side effects. In this concluding section, I will elucidate some prevalent myths, safety tips, and essential precautions you should be aware of before embarking on the journey with this potent remedy. First, let us dispel some misconceptions you may have encountered. Myth 1. Castor oil works instantly for hair growth and skin repair. While castor oil has demonstrated its ability to promote hair growth and enhance skin hydration, it is not an overnight miracle. Achieving noticeable changes requires consistent application over several weeks. For optimal results, apply castor oil at least 3 times a week and exercise patience. Myth 2. Baking soda can be used on the skin. Using baking soda daily for anti-aging can be problematic, as its alkaline nature may disrupt the skin's natural pH balance if overused. Frequent application can lead to dryness and irritation, particularly for those with sensitive skin. It is advisable to limit its use to 1 or 2 times per week to prevent overexfoliation. Additionally, the notion that drinking castor oil is a safe detox for everyone is a misconception. While castor oil has been utilized as a natural laxative, high doses can result in significant digestive distress, dehydration, and cramping. It is not recommended for pregnant women, individuals with gut issues, or those on medication without prior consultation with a doctor. If you're seeking a gentle detox, consider small external applications such as a castor oil pack. Now, let's explore some essential safety precautions to keep in mind when using castor oil and baking soda. First, conduct a patch test before applying to the skin. While castor oil is generally safe, some individuals may experience an allergic reaction. To ensure safety, perform a patch test on your arm and wait 24 hours. If you notice any itching, redness, or swelling, refrain from using it. Second, avoid using baking soda on open wounds or sensitive skin. Its slightly abrasive nature can lead to burning or irritation. Castor oil should be applied cautiously to cuts, rashes, or very sensitive skin. It is advisable to avoid its use on sunburned, inflamed, or broken skin. Additionally, care must be taken to prevent contact with the eyes, as exposure can lead to temporary blurred vision or irritation. Always utilize a clean cotton pad for application and ensure to wash your hands immediately afterward. Furthermore, castor oil should not be consumed if you have specific health conditions. Internal use is discouraged for individuals with digestive disorders such as IBS or Crohn's disease, as well as those with heart disease, due to the risk of electrolyte imbalances and low blood pressure. Pregnant or nursing individuals should also refrain from use. It has the potential to induce labor if you find yourself facing any of these conditions, so it's essential to consult your doctor prior to use. Additionally, keep it out of reach of children and pets, as castor oil is toxic to animals and should be stored securely away from both kids and pets. And there you have it, ladies. By utilizing castor oil and baking soda correctly, you can reap their remarkable benefits safely and effectively. Remember, consistency is crucial, but so is tuning into your body. If something feels off, discontinue use. Have you experimented with castor oil or baking soda for self-care? Share your experiences in the comments if you found them helpful. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more self-care tips. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who might appreciate this remedy as well. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.